In this video, we'll show you how to change the oil and the oil filter on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford F-150 safely. Open your oil filler cap. This will facilitate the flow of oil when draining. You can then remove the skid plate, if present, to access the drain plug. You can now see the drain plug. The drain plug can be unscrewed by hand. Be careful on the last few turns, the oil can squirt suddenly. You will have to anticipate this, making sure you have an oil collector on hand. Let the oil run out for about 10 minutes. When you change the oil, you should also replace the oil filter. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. The oil filter is located to the left of the engine compartment. Place a cloth down, since the oil may leak out. Using a ratchet, a large extender, and a 27mm socket, release the filter cap by turning it counterclockwise until it turns easily. Finish unscrewing by hand. Remove the cover. Place it in a liquid collector. Remove the oil filter. Place it in the liquid collector. You can order the parts and products used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Remove the guide. Using a fairly thin flathead screwdriver, remove the rubber O-ring. Clean the plastic guide. Replace the seal with the one provided in the new filter box, taking care to oil its surface well. Clip the filter back onto the plastic guide. Using a fairly thin flathead screwdriver, remove the rubber O-rings located under the flange of the cap. Clean the filter cap with brake cleaner and a paper towel. Replace the O-rings with the ones provided in the new filter box, taking care to oil their surfaces well. Take the new filter and insert it into the cap. You should hear a click as it locks into place. Put the cover back in place. Screw it back on until it makes contact. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Remove the cloth. Replace the drain plug with a new one. Coat the O-ring with a little oil. Use brake cleaner and paper towels to clean up any oil that may have leaked. Then, screw the plug back in. It is necessary to pour oil back into the motor at this point. This step must be done with care and precision. Put the skid plate back in place first. Then lower your truck back to the ground and check the oil level. This is something that can only be done when the vehicle is flat. Use a funnel to prevent oil from leaking out next to the filler hole. It is then necessary to add the oil to the engine. Begin by putting 90% of the suggested amount. This will leave you a large enough margin to adjust the level of the oil appropriately. You can find in the tutorial's description the exact quantity of oil recommended for your truck. Close the oil fill plug. Start the engine and let the truck run for 30 seconds. This will fill the oil filter. Remove the oil dipstick and wipe it down. Plunge it back into its sheath. Remove it again and check the oil level. The optimal level is near the maximum, but be careful to never go over it. Based on the level indicated on the dipstick, readjust to obtain the optimum amount. Operation complete.
Quality parts, price